It's part 2 of the first meal. And Bonanza's still going to town. And Millie's gonna have fun cleaning up after them. Electra thinks that licking other puppies' faces is better than licking the bowl. They're getting a good hang of it now. Everybody's getting some familiar with Electra. She keeps cleaning faces. So their first meal is goat milk and some puppy kibble, a little bit of pumpkin. Canned pumpkin mixed in the blender. So there we go. Looks like we're starting to get full. Swift is all in. Hey, Swift. Pups. Bonanza's still going. That's it.